Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Hot Wheels Mattel 80 set from Target. This 8-pack is epic, guys. Check out all the cars in this thing. Every single one of them is awesome. We've got the Supra, the Viper, the Grand National. We got the Porsche 944, the Volkswagen Golf, the C10, the M3, the GTR R32, guys. An amazing set. So let's get to it. Let's get this thing unboxed and we're going to take a look at each one of these cars. All right, let's get this thing cracked open here. See how difficult this is going to be. Not too bad. And there they are, guys. All of those red beauties. All right, we're going to start with the Supra up top here. Take a look at this guy. So, 1982 Toyota Supra. Yeah, I'm not sure the whole reasoning behind having one headlight up. They've had that on this casting for a while. One up, one down, just to let you know it had pop-up headlights, I guess. Let's put this one on the spinner. All right, next up is the Viper RT10. The Dodge Viper looks like it has red stripes, more of a maroon type stripe on there. Wheels are much better than the Supra wheels. They fit better on that. See the RT10 just barely on the plate there. Side pipes. And the Grand National. I think they actually called it GNX, but there was never a red Grand National or red GNX. As you guys all know, they were only made in black, so this is a little bit different, seeing them in colors. Those wheels actually look pretty cool on that. Next, we have the 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo. And as you can see, it has the same wheels as the Grand National had. Silver stripe on this one, though. That looks a little better than that maroon colored stripe. And the Porsche decals on the side there. And if you guys have ever had this casting before, you can see there's a little stethoscope in the back there. I don't know if that means doctors drive 944s or what the reasoning was behind that. All right, guys, the favorite of mine from this set has to be the square body C10. Looking sharp with the Hot Wheels logo on the side there and those chrome wheels. Looking good. And if you didn't notice already, this thing has the metal base on it. The 83 Silverado. Just a cool truck, no matter what color it's in. All right, here is the MK2 version of the Volkswagen Golf. Tiny little car. You can see on this one it has a little defect in the wheel. The chrome's kind of off there. Should look like that one on the back. Check this one out, guys. The R32 GTR Nissan Skyline. Looking cool in red. I'm not sure who gets to decide on the wheels on these though, but those wheels are atrocious. Need to give the GTR some better wheels, guys. I like the metal wing on that one. It's funny how they decide what cars to do metal wings versus the plastic wings. I'm not sure. Last but not least, guys, the E36 BMW M3 here. Look at that thing in red. Has the good wheels. And the wing. Super cool casting. And another one with the metal base. So the square body and the M3 out of this set have metal bases. All right, guys, here are my top 3 picks out of this set. We have the Grand National or GNX, the square body C10, and that BMW M3, guys. All right, guys, here are all 8 of them from this set. That's going to do it for this unboxing. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite ones are from this set. And stay tuned for our next hunt video, and we'll have another unboxing coming out soon. Thanks for watching.